Interested in day trading as a beginner? Well, you're in the right place, as you will never succeed without following the advice in this video. See you in a few seconds on the other side. Right, let's get on with it, as I want to wrap this up in just under 5 or 6 minutes. Firstly, why should you listen to me? Well, I spent several years working in the investment banking industry, followed by a few more years working in the proprietary trading industry as a professional day trader. So I'm perfectly placed to tell you how to get your trading career off to the best start and what to avoid so you don't end up like the 99% of people who fail miserably in this business. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you 2 crucial things you need to think about. And if you're not doing these 2 things, you need to stop trading and start doing them before you get yourself into a serious mess. Number 1, have a proper trading business plan in place. And I'm not talking about for the next 1 week. I'm talking about spending some serious time mapping out how the next 12 months might look like for you. Don't make the same mistake the 99% that fail do, i.e. just jump straight onto the charts. Completely ludicrous. You wouldn't just turn up at the hospital as a brand new qualified doctor or surgeon and just start cutting people up. You'd have a career progression plan in place with your boss. You'd spend some time developing that. Basically the complete opposite to what I see people doing in retail trading. Trading is no different to any other skill set. You know, why new traders just start executing on their charts from day one is beyond me, and a recipe for complete failure. You need to have a proper plan in place about what the next 12 months are going to look like for you in detail. This has more benefits than you could ever imagine. Firstly, it stops you making the mistake of thinking you're going to be making money in a short space of time. Say your first 3 to 6 months. It isn't going to happen. You will not be making money in your first few months, and if you think you will, I'm sorry to say this, but you're completely deluded. Retail educators want you to think you'll be making money quickly as they earn trading or broker commissions whenever you trade. Stop allowing yourself to get sucked into all that nonsense. This is a very serious business, so start taking it seriously. You know, most people don't realize, but in your first 3 months in an investment bank, maybe even more, you'd barely even open a trading chart. You'd be spending time in a classroom environment learning the theoretical basics of financial markets and also putting together a business plan of how you're going to develop your trading career over the coming 12 months. I should know because I experienced that firsthand. Now, we'll do another video on how business plans work in a professional trading environment, but in this video, I just want to get you to start thinking about these things, as I don't hear anyone talking about it. They just tell you to do what the 99% crowd do, which is get straight onto your charts because that's what you want to hear and that's what earns these guys money. Affiliate broker commissions. They need you to be trading quickly. So to summarize, don't open up your charts and start trading on day one. Spend some time, a few weeks even, putting together a 12-month business plan about how you're going to approach trading differently to what everyone else is doing. For example, start collating together different sources of institutional trading information. Spend a few weeks, even months, researching completely away from the charts. Delete your charts from your PC for a while if you have to. Invest time reading about Orderflow tools, maybe some fundamentals. Stop wasting your time aimlessly dragging indicators onto your chart. Let's be honest, any 2-year-old child can do that, and I think deep down you already know that isn't going to help you. Spend your time wisely when you're starting out off the chart so you can really build a solid foundation before you even start to think about placing trades. Just like anyone in a brand new job, we've all been there. We need to spend some time observing and learning away from the deep end. And anyway, no company you work for is going to just let you run the company on day one. You need to work your way up. Trading is no different, so give it the respect it deserves and develop a long-term business plan with a significant proportion of that completely off the charts. Now, hopefully that was useful. I'm going to give you the second crucial thing you need to think about in my next video, which is going to be part 2 of this short 2-part series. Now, in the meantime, if you want to find out more about how real professional traders trade completely free, I have an amazing comprehensive masterclass you can sign up for at www.g7fxfreetraining.com, or you can also find the link below in the description. Costs you nothing, so you have nothing to lose but potentially plenty to gain. Now, in this free masterclass, I show you the only 100% independently audited results you're ever going to see, and I also dive deep into order flow and the associated tools used by investment banks and prop firms like those I personally worked at. So feel free to check it out at the link in the description. And as always, all comments welcome, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and follow me on Instagram at NVForex. Have a great day.